Hello guys, today I want to show you our hydrogen system model HS 8000, which means that is designed for engine displacement and engines of any types of vehicles up to 8000 cc, 8 liter engines. So this is a 12 volt system which is integrated in a metal box, fully enclosed, so you will have to find only a space to mount it, and I will give you the details on the volume of this box. So the width of this system is 26 centimeters and depth of the system is 25 centimeters. And height of the system, let me just extend it, it's 52 centimeters. This is very important in a matter of installation to know what is the size of the box, which you can also see into the description of this system. As I mentioned, it's fully enclosed. This is the lock. I will open it now to show you what is inside. For it, a liter of reservoir. Here is the bubbler. Of course, you can remove this lid to see fully what is inside. This is the generator, HS 8000 nano generator, which means we applied nano coating over the stainless steel plates, so efficiency is increased, and also lifespan of the generator is also increased with nano coating, special nano coating we apply. So this is the hardware of the system. Of course, here is the control device, the Dynamic PWM, the rest of the items that you will need for installation, all of the wires, main wires, supportive wires, fuse, light indicator which is supposed to be installed near the dashboard in the vehicle, automatic fuses I mentioned, all of the electrical lugs and all of this stuff that you need for installation, gas hose. Very important, we use only plug and play devices like this one and push-in fittings, so you can just plug it here. Actually here the gas hose is plugged and the end of the gas is supposed to be going into the air filter box, so the produced gas will be sucked by the vacuum of the engine when it's running. And now I will start this system to produce gas so you can see what it's doing. Let me increase the voltage. I'm using now this device just to show you how it's working. We're using these power supplies for test bench tests and stuff like that. So yeah, now it starts working. We have 11.6 volts, 12 amps. So in the real operation on a vehicle, it will be over 13 volts for sure, and it's better to be 14.4 if your alternator is charging normally. So at 13.4 volts we have 25, 26 amps, almost 26. And as you can see, it's making gas. Oxyhydrogen gas, which is supposed to be going into the air filter box to be sucked by the vacuum of the engine, as I mentioned already. And here we pre-installed a floating switch, which is supposed to be connected here on the Dynamic PWM, so it will be able to shut off the system when the water level is down, and you will be informed about this by the LED indicator installed near the dashboard. So this will tell you when you need to refill the system. We didn't fill it to the maximum now, but usually it's supposed to be on the middle of the reservoir or 3/4 of the reservoir level. So all it's installed in this box to be safe from dust, rain, snow, sun rays, whatever it is. And here we have a draining valve if you need to drain the system regularly, once in few months for example, just to fill it with new electrolyte. So this is the production of gas, as you can see now. And that is all for HS 8000, which is for 12-volt charging system, vehicles up to 8-liter engines. You can use it on American trucks, pickup trucks, excavators, or whatever vehicle it is with 12-volt charging system, which has alternator with capacity over 90 amperes. This is very important thing, to have a good alternator capacity, and also to be maintained alternator which is charging properly between 13.6 and 14.4 volts. Very recommended. If it's charging 12.5, you have to fix the alternator, just maintain it, so it should be charging properly. Very important in a matter of efficiency. And this is all for this system. So if you have any questions, please comment below this video or send us an inquiry via email, phone, WhatsApp, Viber, whatever you prefer, and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give us a like if you like the video, of course. Thank you.